Sandvik Additive Manufacturing has won an award of distinction in the hand tools recreation category for metal AM components with customer Seiko tools. This award-winning component is a coolant clamp that attaches to the cutting edge of industrial turning heads used in machining. Coolant flows through the clamp, cooling the cutting edge and controlling the waste chips produced. Metal additive manufacturing makes it possible to form the curved holes inside the clamps that were previously impossible to form using traditional manufacturing processes. Metal AM allows an improved design for easier insert indexing and handling, which reduces downtime and improves productivity. The coolant clamps are made from 18 nickel 300 Metallurgy steel powder using laser beam powder bed fusion processing. Post-processing includes tumbling and blast finishing.